right, we're going on the tone. There we go. Back straight, go low. All right, that worked. Modified, you are up next. Oh, watch out in one, watch out in one. Go high, go high, go high, go high, go high. We're clear. James and Domino. Tyler and Dylan. That's your battles right now. Watch out in two, watch out in two. Go high, go high, go high, go high. We're clear.
3 minutes left.
Domino now out front by 5 seconds. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. One and two. I need to stop and go. I need to stop and go. There we go. Thank you. He got up out of the way. That's how you're supposed to do it. $2:20 to go. $2:20 to go. Watch it back straight. Go low, go low, go low, go low.
2 minutes left.
Tyler now taking over the lead. Domino to second. Dylan in third. A three-way battle for the lead. Domino back out front. Dylan trying to bump his way in that A main. Dylan's real close. Just got to stay smooth, no mistakes. $1:20 to go. Front straight, front straight, front straight, front straight. Go low, go low, go low, go low. One and two, go high. Dylan dropping back to fifth
1 minute
overall now.
left.
Got to clean it back up. He's got a shot to make that top four. Just got to stay smooth.
45 seconds left.
Knocking on the door. Back up to fifth overall. Back straight, back straight, back straight. We're clear. Watch out.
30
1,
seconds
2.
left.
Watch out in 4.
15 seconds left.
3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Go high, go high, go high, go high, go high. Go low, go low, go low.
All drivers are finished.
All right, Tyler takes that
The
one
race is
35-4
completed.
flat, 35-4.